Hello, I'm Julie Déchanet-Merville. So I'm the director of Immunoconcept in Bordeaux University, and it's also a CNRS laboratory. And in the HORUS project, I'm leading the work package number 2. And the aim of this work package is to analyze the T cells that are responding to cytomegalovirus, because we have previously shown that in patients who already have an immunity against the cytomegalovirus, so the R+ patients, some of the patients will not develop a CMV infection after transplantation, and other patients will develop infections after transplantation, and we want to understand why some patients are protected and some patients are not protected against the infection. And we have shown previously that in patients that are not protected, it seems that their T lymphocyte immunity is dysfunctional. So we are now trying to analyze this dysfunctionality, what does it mean, why these cells are dysfunctional, and how we could restore a functionality of these cells. And it's important to first stratify the patients that will respond or not to that will be protected or not against infections after transplantation, and also to try to propose new strategies to treat particularly those patients that are more at risk to develop CMV infection after transplantation.